To analyze Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by understanding what the toolkit offers. The Semrush Social Media Toolkit is a set of tools designed to help track and analyze social media performance across various platforms. It provides insights into engagement, audience growth, and content performance. First, navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section within the Semrush platform. Here, you will find an overview of your social media performance, including engagement metrics, audience size, and content reach. Look for the Social Media Tracker, which allows you to monitor your social media accounts and compare them to your competitors. Next, analyze your social media profiles by clicking on each platform, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. This will provide a detailed breakdown of your performance on each platform, including engagement rates, follower growth, and top-performing content. Use this data to identify which content types resonate with your audience and which platforms drive the most engagement. The Social Media Toolkit also includes a content analyzer, which helps you understand what types of content are working best for your brand. Look for the top-performing content section, where you can see which posts have generated the most engagement, likes, and shares. Use this information to inform your future content strategy and optimize your social media content for better performance. Another key feature of the Semrush Social Media Toolkit is the competitor analysis section. Here, you can compare your social media performance to that of your competitors, identifying areas where you can improve and opportunities to outperform them. Look for gaps in their content strategy and engagement tactics, and use this information to refine your own approach. Best practices for analyzing the Semrush Social Media Toolkit include regularly monitoring your social media performance, tracking changes in engagement and audience growth, and adjusting your content strategy accordingly. Use the data to inform your decisions, rather than relying on intuition or guesswork. By following these steps and leveraging the insights provided by the Semrush Social Media Toolkit, you can optimize your social media strategy, improve your online presence, and drive more engagement and conversions.